Hi everyone, welcome back to Microbiogenics. So today we will begin with the type 3 hypersensitive reaction. So type 3 hypersensitive reaction is mediated by antigen antibody complexes. So this complex is also known as immune complex. So immune complex, how the immune complex can give rise to a hypersensitive reaction, because we know that when antibody binds to the antigen, then the antigen is degraded. Antibody binding to the antigen degrades the antigen. This is the normal case. Why the binding of this antibody give rise to a hypersensitive reaction? This is a question. So this event does not occur in every individual. This condition occurs only in the hypersensitive individual. So what happens? When antigen enters the body of the hypersensitive person, then antibody binds to the antigen in order to clear the antigen, but somehow the antibody is not capable of degrading the antigen and clearing it from the system. In case of hypersensitive individuals, what happens? Antigen enters the body, antibody recognizes the antigen and forms the immune complex. So antigen enters the body of the hypersensitive person, antibody binds to the antigen in order to clear the antigen, in order to kill the antigen, but this antibody is not capable of killing the antigen due to some reasons. Then what happens? Other immune cells are recruited at the site of this immune complex formation. So antibody, we know the structure of antibody. Antibody looks like this. Have an Fc part. Antibody have an Fc part and two Fab portions. So antigens are bound by the Fab portions of the antibody and the Fc part is free. So this Fc part is recognized by other immune cells which have receptors of this part, receptors for this Fc part on their surface. So some immune cells have Fc receptors on their surface. These immune cells have Fc receptors on their surface and they will bind with the Fc portion of the antibody that is already complexed with an antigen. So immune complex will be bound to a immune cell with the help of these Fc receptors. So what kind of immune cells are these? These are basically neutrophils, macrophages. These are the cells, mast cells. So these are the cells called granulocytes. So granulocytes, like neutrophils, mast cells, this neutrophil, mast cells. So these cells basically, macrophages, these cells basically have Fc receptors on their surface. So these cells will come and bind with the immune complex. Intracellular granules are present in this type of cells. So that is why they are called granulocytes. So these granulocytes will then secrete cytokines. So once these immune cells having Fc receptors are bound to the immune complexes, they will secrete cytokines. Different types of cytokines will be released and these cytokines will mediate the entry of these immune complexes from the blood vessel to the tissues. Extracellular antigen enters the blood of the person. In the blood, antibodies are present. So antigen antibody complexes will be formed and the immune cells like macrophages, neutrophils, mast cells, all these cells are present in the blood. So these cells will come and bind with the antigen antibody complexes by the Fc receptors present on the surface and form a large complex, and then once the immune complex is bound to the neutrophils, mast cells, macrophages, these cells called the granulocytes will secrete cytokines. So as a result of the action of cytokines, this immune complex will enter into the tissues. From the blood, they will enter into the tissues. So what happens? First, antigen that is present outside the body, it will first enter into the bloodstream where it will form immune complex. Immune cells having Fc receptors will bind to the immune complexes, and once they are bound, the granulocytes or the immune cells will secrete cytokines, and these cytokines will cause this immune complex to migrate or to enter the tissue space from the bloodstream. So translocation of the antigen antibody complex from the blood to the tissues will occur. Once the immune complexes are deposited in the tissues, localized inflammatory response will occur. That will recruit macrophages, neutrophils, more neutrophils at the site of inflammation, and cytokines will be released. The process will continue and the immune complex will be deposited at the tissues. So this is the case that happens during type 3 hypersensitive reaction. This reaction does not occur in every individuals. Only in hypersensitive individuals this reaction occurs. And these immune complexes may be deposited at various sites of the bodies, within the lymph nodes, within the kidneys, and at various locations of the body. And depending on the site of this immune complex deposition, the name of the diseases are different. So this is how the type 3 hypersensitive reaction is mediated.